Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing basics. Charge the helmet module fully because low voltage causes weird behavior. Turn Bluetooth off on other devices to avoid interference. Then clear the phone's paired list so you can test a fresh connection. Inspect the helmet's controls and the charging port for corrosion or loose wires. These are common failure points. Once those checks are done, make sure you have a small Phillips, a plastic pry tool, and the correct replacement battery ready to proceed. Now open the helmet liner carefully and remove the Bluetooth module. Keep foam inserts and clips organized so reassembly is simple. Use a multimeter to measure battery voltage. If it's below the spec printed on the cell, replace it. Check continuity across solder joints and the microphone/speaker traces. Flex the cable gently to find intermittent faults. Once you isolate whether the fault is battery, wiring, or module firmware, test by pairing with a phone or swapping in a known good headset to confirm the source of the problem. Finally, repair the identified fault. Replace the battery with a 3.7V cell that matches size and connector, or reflow solder joints using a fine tip iron. Tape and seal any exposed wires. Update the module firmware through the manufacturer app to fix software bugs, then repair following the app prompts. Reassemble the liner and test on a short, low-speed ride to confirm stability. If you still get intermittent dropouts, try a second phone or a fresh battery. Interference or a dying cell is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.